Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile password and biometric setting, and today video title is how to remove Redmi mobile fingerprint lock. Friends, you don't want to use Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting, you want to remove Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to remove Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting. You don't want to unlock Redmi mobile with fingerprint lock. Well, how to remove fingerprint lock one by one we will talk about. Unlock your phone. After unlock phone friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting. After turn on my phone password and security setting, tap on fingerprint lock setting. Draw your pattern. You have pin password, any password, so enter your password. So friends, I will draw pattern. I have pattern lock, so I will draw pattern. You have pin password, enter your pin password. Okay. After no fingerprint lock setting friends, you want to fingerprint lock on your privacy password. You want to fingerprint lock on your app lock setting, so you can on fingerprint lock on app lock setting also. And you don't want to use, so you can off. So friends, click here fingerprint lock. Which fingerprint you want to remove, first, second and third. Friends, if you click a third, if you click a remove option, attention notification, remove fingerprint now, okay option, one fingerprint lock will remove. You can use two fingerprint lock, you cannot use three fingerprint. Friends, if you click a second fingerprint lock and you want to rename your fingerprint lock, so you can rename your fingerprint lock. Right click here, fingerprint lock will rename in your Redmi mobile. Friends, if you click here fingerprint lock 1, remove fingerprint, okay option, fingerprint lock will remove. So friends, you want to remove all fingerprint lock, one by one you can select your fingerprint lock and you can remove your fingerprint lock. Fingerprint lock setting is off. You cannot do fingerprint on your privacy password, on app lock setting and lock screen, because fingerprint lock off. You can unlock your Redmi mobile without fingerprint lock. Friends, you can see fingerprint lock notification is not here. Draw pattern, use face lock. You can use your phone and you can unlock your Redmi mobile without fingerprint lock. Again, you want to use, enter your lock screen password and you can add fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.